Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Sure, I'd be happy to provide you with a tutorial on using the BERT model in Python. BERT, Bidirectional Encoder Representations from Transformers, is a powerful pre-trained natural language processing, NLP, model developed by Google. We'll use the Transformers library, which is a popular library for working with pre-trained models in NLP. Before you begin, make sure you have the Transformers library installed. You can install it using. Now, let's create a simple Python script to demonstrate how to use BERT for text classification. In this example, we'll use the IMDb movie reviews dataset for sentiment analysis. This example provides a basic overview of using BERT for text classification using the IMDb dataset. You can adapt the script to other NLP tasks and datasets by adjusting the data pre-processing steps and model configurations. Additionally, you might want to fine-tune the hyperparameters based on your specific use case and dataset. ChatGPT.